akwasi insia
Commander 6
Kano seniatie
ensembona nam ayeye de nam anapo mobiache yeda twere amponyankopon no so asebiem ena ya wada so when 23rd we are 8 days away to February 2025 tie kwa no as agro today is the 16th day. Yeah, Mampani John Dramani Mama saw Ghana Kufrem Swan, ye can't tell this year. So Nipper Jane never bought for the more man. 16 days in office as President of the Republic, as Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. You could so take the boxes. The first 14 days, number selection, you take it. That's the appointment of nominations of cabinet ministers. Tie no have selection ko. Eti ye measure the akaneba, We want to believe that at least Anya should score about 85 to 90% of his campaign promises. Because the promises no juicy. Your promises how they see all the tunes and near now the two of my Ghana so it should take Ghana out of economic hardship. Yes, and to two oh yes, and America in Akro so a big crowd so that but I'll say yes to make sure say yan car say mammy makosin say many brain mamma and yes a capet, many person can get bad. But that's not our target for now. The target here say at least Emma common name me. Emma mean nansum. Emma say mammy nanti adeja. These are somewhere 3 and near my yeshe and mu say aban be jet ya mai ye nyahe enya fe na me so da kwa ko gino panim ha makwan say ene Mr. President and on ene Friday ahun kire nti una kai minister say ene Friday ahun kire the 24-hour economy no say timi so aba ba bia be ko bia on krofo mu nya adwuma. But I saw numbers never form. So do you know you may show on a couch na enya ding. But I could pass a baku for salary of maybe 3,000 Ghana cedis. Dependence ratio no bear best 1:10 ding. Now unquote 3,000 crowd say. And inflation nam 23.8%. Almost 720 Ghana cedis of your salary of 3,000 cedis echo because of inflation. So we let me get for nipa 5, nipa 10. But I say man ye mamungo. Maybe if you see a kate bit me yen kate. Sub what we have come to term as unnecessary expenditure. We don't want to see that again. We first can share be productive to a minor. Yen first can ko baby a Ghana be nya some faso. Let's not do because a party be. It was say the man there be. Mama yan chichiri sikane fan kugu baako fo fie. Ye jane said they going to me nchane pe, but at least me kakra menya. Say once the kura na menya every mo, fa mamme, en fan kame me. Fa mamme na muso mani so. Eti ya muda eye mo fe so bedani ane anopa bia na MP minister na nipa bes enum ensia nso edu ejina boboa no o mepede a ebe pani ebedi eye nim guase so mutu kwan a how do you mutimi dis an community chama nkrofo because me kwasinsi yankopon madoma manyuma adwuma ye me nsore metem aboboa no sanam gidi se menwe bi nso enya bi ya so metem aboboa no and I become say President Mahama has no other option than to succeed because a success will take Ghana out of a lot of things. Penisi akukọ ntu bedwem nyensem nya na betimi aka na bonten but sem no me no amwa mampani Mahama for him to succeed. Ghana will be doomed. ebi ene ye kan onte ase. But when the day is near, when you MPP nye NDC asem o, sada make catch say MPP shouldn't come back to power because your mama failed. Then we are not your money no. Say if MPP is to come to power because mama has failed, yeah, and your money no. But MPP should come to power because mama has succeeded. But Ghanaians believe say they have super proposal for the betterment of our nation. Say go bia ye nyina ye fe ho hyem. Ba bia ba na ya de ne mo na ba so ne hye ne nkura no nye ne mo. Wo chia so me nkan no ntum. Enka wo no ntum because we NDC ni. Because see na say fan wo bo kodu 54 Ghana cedis per liter. Wo NDC nya sa na abeto no. Unless you free coupon. And I NDC na so fro trotro ye betum ebe kan. E think one no tum because your party is in power. Kasa. Minister be ya dia ebe saw man be bo man na. Twe na adwen so say minister be. Ye nipa no. We a guy. Ye yada but baby akeka kwede da bi. Ye correct you sa. I'm telling you. And now Donald Trump by what became so called America now called war, Obanya automatic citizenship. No, Champagne be your two sassiak. Yenina ya bro pepe, yenina ya bro pepe. Apeteshio guineas, yenina ya bro pe. Yenina net, ya quadrant to make out some could secure that chamber. The Nya Assembly will be a do of my shows, sir. Typical James said, did now go over just could secure that chamber. Yes, ye secure no ha. Donald Trump, the Minchel. And you know, secure future no. Aya. Na ye ni yanko enu ante. So back to enu yanko de ya na ye die. E ma bu na seb yom ni akakabe sam ye ne ma ensem fata. Ye nyina ya kan no atomo. Medi kaka to say ne ase ye fan say normal oh ye to aba bia wi anema say say one day e be tra so. And he said, and he said, and Kofobi some year, and he said, it's for a ship party office. All because Mampenima ministerial appointment, 1 to 1 PD. And he said, it's for be a treasure to Kakwemu because Mampenima ministerial appointment, 1 more or MPD. But once I get good Australia stadium here, and this in Perifor, a whole voter region at the buyer. Respect to whole office now. Party therefore a question make sure a whole NDC in pen for the no. Mami whole NDC and pen for statement no they buy no. They are call on the police service. Now them will please be catch the Oro IGP. And I feel the Minister of Interior designate ye nya onye nyam power. Eti me catch the man penene se mu ye ne be fremo ne afremo. You see, my statement in the amamo. And this penny 4 issues state the call on the Ghana police service say, arrest those rascals. I people need to be here. The voter regional secretary of NDC, on behalf of the regional executives, issue statement say, arrest those rascals. I people need to be here. Now I catch them say, abai se sa na Ghana si. IGP aye din. The last office and so I did because we'll be a pe compa so will be secure on the position. Men kwaka ni abatu ye ni tell you so ni agin position free me sem ene ye ne. One day they will enter Ghana Police Service. I said na no mo call adwira. All because obi fi say a police for try na mo bia abo onua nam so awu. Se kwashi adwira police station. Car si wonom. One day headquarters dampare otiwa ni agbawura ho. Se na no wode ye menua kan wano tum se nye wasem. Enu ade achi on de koye menwonko kan wano tum se wankama sem. O so de bedu nchonkofo be kan bia ma nyina e de wakumomu. That is where we are getting to. To rap dampare wa ye die kan won fi wa ye die kan won fi no. Stop secure your position. Na benya. Anya ne wo ye te madom ama mentenu as IGP. So obeyi wa obeyi. So stop it and work. Stop it. Stop securing your position and work. That party, doctor. What is this issue of say abayas me to person himself can't be? But say one day, on the Ghana Police Service headquarters, near Chedam Parie, one day. I want you to sub you, you didn't send me a diagram. And the IGP in deputy in Ka. Or Dam Parie, one in deputy Enka. And attention them, our Ghana Police headquarters. I wish that the national security minister power no. When him side way from opposition. Maybe I want to believe some commodity air course behind the scenes. But in yes, we are sitting on the time bomb. Because both officials are privy to security information, baby. Because we should say we have a position. We should say we have a pammy for baby abetie. It's no Ghana Police Service headquarters. We check them. Your damn party camp and your own deputy camp. Why? Anytime a police service are dean. I'm a dean. But see the voter regional secretary of NDC. Or say those rascals never see NDC office arrest them. The regional police commander, the district police commander, Obi dean. It's so sad. It's sad. So it's be a trouble. We are not my Ghana season now. Then stop receiving your salaries. Set now you are pleased for your shamoka. I keep what you dear. Name to my catch your cram by. Shakwa make quine. Now you are best 2 or 3 days. What you catch ya? Anyone can say I saw Bentino, send your idea, ya catch ya. Pamaji. You have to trust them. Just look at this. Just look at this. Because baby fee say or say chinchina your mama a pound whom as a minister. What kind of sense of entitlement? I don't know. Vote yes. Vote yes. It's chinchina also the problem. And I can't just 183 ministers say. Because that's the number of seats in this war. 183 ministers. Nempis no bianya bi nkwahye. There's a difference between party and government. So ontia se bia benya akomayade. There's a difference between party and government. Ye won krofo a ye do mo epre to me e de won krofo a ye do mo edi to me. Ontiasia, you always cry. There are 2 scope of people in every political party. So make a wise decision. Where do you want to be? Ofi se opese ujina awianim a jina awianim. Se opese uko days ni so a prepare yourself for the days. Ye wo mo meta the posters. Ye wo mo to me ba ye no mbedi to me no. Cause obisi kan ko print posters na akotare no. O ka prenim. So one tisa na sia. You kill yourself in the political party for nothing. And it's and someone and self-fata. Now party office will say kaum. You scrabika unchebi. And some of these MPs should be called. The Bollywood boy MP or some party to be told is a friend. Not just issue statement condemning calling for Kam Keke. The party should be able to invite him to answer some questions. When the people did what they did on your behalf, what do you know about it? Hey, to free your mama come to your minister. Huh? Ufri your mama come to your minister. And every mama so baji. Every mama so baji. Yeah, what sister machanam? Yeah, what? No. I don't want to believe that the member of parliament, you know, are behind these things. But I'm saying that the party hierarchy should question him. So that his system and say, I'm calling for what come? You should be questioned. You should be questioned because a member said one more damn. So at one almost say, yeah, somebody might have influenced them. Are they? No, sorry, I say, me change out to party office. Now, please, François, you ding. It means you because IGP deputy, your fashions across the country. There's no go be at me actually. Hey, now here and I will be. You as a semwa kwa. A better yen to Obama Basabasa ensi. A better yen to Abba, Emma Basabasa ensi. When all the leadership of our police service know thinking about a retaining of their position. Ura dampare, your latter days no bad. Sanani a man for starting and a man for OGDA and your regime woman also the panina. Because you are seeking to retain your office. Openi, I'm telling you. Om the memo. On fama wa, opa kojo mama o e ko panishun on fama on da. Mama never knew no central for so I say. And I know try to Facebook. I think something I shall see ebem kakra. But see one day we will weed out omo send fata in this inky fraternity in every honor. So I'm on your four entiase. Says some try for the heat no air bomb so not because ye time more. And I know ye no ye nyina tisi so e punish no. And I know yakase hunipa. Yeah, or tia no. Yes, I'm for the tea and losing so across the country. So you saw the heat on our own brother. It's a man for some more yana see a car. It's not because we'll be a shekutu pound. And also be maybe a deal. And Obia can be a yo. We are responsible to the people who are a shayin, a tia. This time of a stomach journalism, no, but catch up in few days to come. It will be off. Professionalism, we will force people to practice war. At 10 years on our screens, at 10 years on our radio, it's not journalism. Can what's what catch the penny no? There be a catch now. Can what's the penny? My facts in yajma, my videos nyajma, my vision onyama nyajma. The fuck can what's them? Unya samuka, and I said you diatem. Can what's them? But professionalism, I'm telling you, in few years to come, people will stand somewhere and start clapping for Ghanaian journalists. Now, me Gigi any day, what's that? Me Gigi for near me. Munya mono emkwesiaga. Omu radio station. Omu need to me be awesome training be also. Say because e work e kuwa e bibia ni bia. Gigi, we come man for no nyadwe, but I'm telling you. Omu need to me be awesome training be also. Ghana Journalists Association. Because they've also allowed themselves to be infiltrated by politicians. To me need to me be out. Say Gigi Becca say But I'm telling you, say, yen as ourselves and the media owners, Geba, especially when they work already on a media houses in Kabum Kono, should take up this challenge. Send a doctor ni and from so kuma kwadaba kwa ye tree and this in no some training back kwa no asem bet me plunge this country into flames and nothing will never happen. See who are yakopoti asi NC Bakato the sabia kwesi se menye kronkron mo mesinto mo memere yo samechia catch them samechia enfare me and man say yakwesi dem tibi kede bi hwemene catch them na say mentire nie because some of my inactions will cost you e bia nkoso be cost oba Etem na make sure say Ghana there. Journalism mu university anyha. Any multimedia. Enye no fafa na e ka o. Enye no fafa na e ka o. Ye can because say professionalism eye adwuma. Obi anfa ni agro. We need to sanitize our system. Sena be asumdue ebetimi aye adwuma. Na politician betimi no so tista akwasisia criticize me. He will not take it say akwasi time. Akwasi chirime. Akwasi mpema asem. But we see the content any asem akwasi ekam no afamu aba. Na somebody year 10 year on for serious. Me dey akwasi nsia. Asem Yi Di Ka ni. Ye dey pese mutu aso. Makram.
Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka.